in the other spot. Get one. I don't think it's the same one either. The bigger one.
It's bigger?
Giant one.
You got the net. You got the net.
Hey, it's Justin here with Northeast Fishing Adventures. Dad and I got to take a canoe instead and have to run and see what happens. I'm also going to go for bass. Never know what you're going to catch in here. It's still early. Hopefully there's some big ones. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.
You're gonna have to get in over there.
What? Just the water side. I think it's gone up since last time we were here.
Can you get in?
No, it's still so high. I guess, maybe.
Whoops, you ought to have a paddle, probably. Huh? That's mine. There's yours. Huh? Probably.
Chains again, I think. I think it used to be pipes there.
Yeah. Now you can fish anywhere. Wherever you want.
Plenty of that crap. Everywhere. Damn milfoil. That was a shitty cast. Why's my line all beat up? Oh, weird. What? What the hell? My line's all messed up.
Oh yeah. Big one. Ooh. That's a nice one. Wow. Shit. Guess they're in here.
Looks good back here. It's high. Pike ate everything. What? Oops. Well, now we know. Not to do it again. Yep. I got something. Little guy. Dead sticking. Hopefully I didn't get in the stomach. I think I did. Damn it. I'm gonna have to cut the line. I was paddling instead of fishing. I get out without hooking him again. Got one. Not very big. Now I need a new Senko. I need a new Senko. You just passed me a green pumpkin one.
What color?
I caught something. Yay. Maybe this is, I think this might actually have been smoke. And it just got discolored. That one's missing half of the end of it. It gave me a faulty one. Get it? Probably perch. I don't know, I can't tell. Can't see. Damn it, you sure brought live bait. There's some pretty big perch. Sure brought the turds. Come back with worms, you catch bass. Catch others. Catch a lot of them. Don't go too fast. There's a nice deep bend right there. There could be something in there. I don't know. This is like the slowest we've ever fished in here after around the spawn. Just at this spawn. There's all the big ones. That was a pickerel, I think. No, it's a bass. Okay, smallie. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. That's the one size you're looking for. That's a good fish. I don't have it hooked very good either. That's a good one.
Good one.
I think went for it twice.
Well,
I got it.
that's a good one.
It's like a 2 3/4 almost.
2+, yeah. Your mother's was quite a bit bigger than that.
Oh, we're not in Peabody Pond. That's a good one though.
That was on topwater.
Yep. Annihilated it. Hit it twice. More in here. I'm guessing anyway. Oh, my line's still good somehow.
Huh?
Oh, look at that.
What am I looking at?
Largemouth.
Holy crap.
Take a 4+ pounder, isn't it?
Yep.
Remember this one come back.
Oh, we got right to my bait.
Yep. You going after it? There's some good fish still in here.
Look at this, Justin. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a beaver.
Before it attacked. That's a huge beaver.
Oh,
Never
cool.
that close to a beaver.
Wow.
Yeah, I should sit down.
Before he bites.
He's coming at us. Turn quick. Turn quick.
Wow. That's cool.
That's a huge beaver. I've never seen one that close before.
I didn't realize what it was at first. Hell was that?
Maybe I should sit down.
Very good idea. I can't see through. You gotta see what I'm doing.
Go on this side a little bit. You have to cut it weird. Make it. I think we made it. Oh, watch out for that. You can go in a lot different places in the boat.
We had a blast. We could get right in the rock. If it was windy and you had the boat, we wouldn't get in.
Huh. Where's all that fish? Ooh, there's a good one. Got it. Keeper.
That little.
What?
That little.
It's a keeper. Where's the net? No, I got it. That's a 12-inch, ain't it? That's a keeper. That's a keeper. It's like 13 inches. Bigger than the last one I lost. Take it. I think that's how we got the biggest one so far. I don't think it was on anything but the bushes. Damn it, there's one in there. That was a good one too, damn it. As soon as it hit the water. Friggin' fixing my line. Might go for it again then, hook it. That's a good one. That one's worth it right there. That's, still looking for it. Still looking for it. Yeah. Damn it. That one was almost a 3-pounder. It's right there. Damn it. Little one. You got the big one? Yeah, you got the stick. Dad, watch out. You got the friggin' stick. And you got my friggin' rod. What are you doing? Oh. I'm trying to get this thing off the hook. Crashing the trees over here. Poor thing. Wish I got the big one. Head on.
I thought I had it.
Where'd those pliers go? There you go. I wanted that big one, not that one.
What was this, a live one?
That was a smallmouth.
That's a big smallmouth.
It was a big smallmouth. Maybe it'll be another one. Maybe it'll bite again on the way back down, I don't know. Had on the hook already. Yeah. I don't think we're getting that one to bite again.
There you go.
Yeah. Slow down! That was a good one too. They friggin' like knocking it out of the water. Not eating the damn thing. Come on. Really? Nope. They just like, they're hitting it so hard they're not even freaking, you know. Got it. That's a little bit better one. The keeper. That one's still for 12.
Yeah, that's Get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the current.
That one's over 12. Not huge.
Yeah. Keep up.
We are in a little stream, so I don't expect them all to be big anyway. Oh, not that one. Keep going, you're good. There's one in here that it might be sketchier on the way down. People fish right here. I guess we're okay. Yeah, people have been fishing down here from shore, so I think we're fine. Oh. Oh. Oh, maybe any fiberglass left in the boat, canoe. Got a set going down, it's gonna hurt more. This is gonna be interesting. Let's see what happens. Maybe it won't stand. Maybe it won't stand. Get something? That fish? Oh, you got rock. Probably going sideways. Be careful going. Just have to slow ourselves down going down so don't put a hole in it. We're stuck good. Too much for the patch you fixed. We should have go this way. That's the one we hit on the way up right there. Damn it. What the hell? Can't win. Oh, right here. He'll get them all. Oh, he's sitting next to us. So go down there.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to.
Oh, wait a minute. Almost got casted up.
Yeah. There's like 3 good ones. I thought I saw something in there when we came back on the way up. I think we're good. I don't see any movement.
The only good one. Yeah. Maybe you can get it again and it'll look like 2.
Another one over there was grouped up in the other spot. Yeah, I don't think it's the same one either. The bigger one.
It's bigger?
Giant one.
You got the net. You got the net.
I don't think it's the same one.
Oh, it's a good one. If it's the same one as you did on a different lure, that's why.
It's still topwater.
Good catch, Justin.
Here, hang on. I don't think it is. Is it the same one?
I don't know.
Damn it. Guess we ruined that scale.
Yeah, we lost yesterday. Your mother and I lost about 7. Tyler just set the hook.
You can't really work at topwater as good either. Little one. A little tiny one. Really little. That's the smallest one.
Overachiever.
Is that 9?
Yep.
That's the smallest one right there, I think.
It's an overachiever.
Troller Cinco through here.
Duck.
Troller Cinco right here.
No, that's what I see.
No, I said troll it.
I'm trying to get through here. Not hitting my head.
It's gonna be fly fishing.
So how far do you want to try to walk
You go round. We're pulled up over there. Kind of a spot to do it.
get out on the dock and then pull the
Crash it. Get it? Hang on. Well, we just got done fishing Path Run. Caught 9 smallmouths. Saw some big fish. I got like 4 keepers, 2 of them were nice ones. Not too bad for fishing a little stream with the canoe. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.